Join me as I take on the challenge of recreating the crave-worthy chicken cone recipe that you'll absolutely love. I'm super excited to share with you a fun and delicious twist on traditional fried chicken, the chicken cone recipe. It's amazing to try something new. Chicken in a cone. That sounds crazy, but also kind of amazing. Elle used buffalo hot sauce for a yummy taste. And don't forget the most important part, the cones. Now let's move on to the assembly process. This is the fun part, guys. First, we'll start by taking our fried chicken pieces and placing them into the cones. And finally, we'll top it all off with sauce. If you give this recipe a try, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. What's your favorite chicken recipe? And if you're looking for more delicious recipe ideas, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing some more tasty treats that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.